Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm kind of sorry that I haven't been posting in a very long time, but in this video, we're gonna make our own stylus. The first thing we need to do is murder a pen and take this like tube thing out of it. This tube has the hole and stuff, yeah. And then the first thing, after you murder that pen, you're gonna have to chop out this this ear thing. I forgot what they're called. What are they called? I'm not sure what they're called, but whatever. I'm gonna cut that in half. I think you can honestly just break it in half. I'm gonna break it in half. Go to mom. So,
sorry.
Here I broke knife, and like so, I'm gonna put this in here. Now I'm gonna need the tin foil, so I'm gonna go get my tin foil.
Oh, I got my tin foil. I'm just gonna cut it, and alright, like so, I'm just gonna cut it. And
So you put the tin foil on. It's actually really important because without the tin foil, it will not work. It's not just supposed to be like a grip or anything. You actually need it for this thing to work. And you're probably just like, oh, probably a thing, it'll work now, right? So let's try it. And it's not working. And that's because you need to add some water on the tip. Don't soak it in water, but just add a little tiny bit of water. And that's what I'm going to do.
yeah, until
I made it a little bit wet. I don't know if you can tell, but turn it on. And it works. I think I made it a little bit too wet because you can see the little watermarks. But it works. It's perfectly good. And I'm just gonna, as you can see, it works really well. And you can make all the drawings and stuff. On this phone, I don't have any drawing apps.
yes, you do.
I was gonna go into notes or something. Or notes. I'm gonna make a new notes.
On notes, you can do nothing.
Yeah, you can.
Or you can cut his hand off, this guy's hand off.
Okay, that's my brother. I'm just gonna, like,
Let's see if it
I'm
works.
gonna,
His hand's not cutting off. Hey, look, wait, look.
that's my name, Mahdi. My brother is watching me and saying all those annoying comments.
It's not cutting off his arm. Cutting with scissors.
That's him.
Scissors.
Okay, now he's putting scissors and now my thing died. Okay, whatever. I don't know what to do. I don't know. It's a stylus. I think you get that. And
It's not a stylus, it's a pen. You put ink on it, like, he didn't do that if he didn't want to.
no, you do not need ink. Do not listen to him. And here is the stylus.
It's a stylus, not a pen. It's a pen, not a stylus.
And this is a pretty well working stylus. And see you guys later.
Subscribe to my channel! Subscribe to my channel!